Auto Obsessed here. Having trouble finding a remote car starter for your late model BMW or Mini Cooper? If you are, you're going to want to watch this video. Nobody wants to be this guy. It's freezing cold. Inside the car is frozen. Windows are covered in frost. It's much better, much more convenient to remote start your car. Let it warm up and drive away comfortably with clean windows and much less work. Today we are showcasing the Eurostart remote engine starter kits. Eurostart remote starters are designed specifically for 2009 to 2021 BMW and 2014 to 2021 Mini Cooper vehicles. We are now in our third year of distributing this product for Eurostart and have had an overwhelming positive feedback from customers and dealers as a result of their thorough 3-year design cycle, extensive product testing, and use of high-quality electrical components. Eurostart remote starters have proven to be extremely reliable. Now let's talk about the features of the Eurostart BMW remote car starters. You can use your factory key fob to start the car. If you need extended range, you can add optional CompuStar remotes. There's a few different options available, which can start the car from up to 3 miles away. You also can get the optional drone module that uses your cell phone. So you can start from virtually anywhere, providing that your car and the cell phone are in cellular range. Some of the other features are heated seat activation for most models. It can resume heating or air conditioning temperatures, so it'll use the most recent temperature settings in the car from what was last set. It has an adjustable run time, so basically you can adjust how long the car runs for before it auto stops. It has a sleep mode for low power consumption. Here's how you use the Eurostart car starter. You can use the factory BMW remote key fob. It's basically just a 3-lock start. If you're using the CompuStar system, this is a 2-way long-range remote. We would hold the start button. And if you're using the drone module, this is a cellular interface. You can, providing that your cell phone is in cellular range and the car is also in cellular range, just using the app, you would hold the start button. And that is how you use the Eurostart car starter using all 3 options. Eurostart is manufactured in Canada using the highest quality automotive grade components and wiring harness assemblies. Each starter kit is custom tailored to BMW and Mini vehicles. The mounting bracket and wiring harnesses are designed to fit each model perfectly, just like it would have been if it was installed at the factory. You likely purchased a BMW because you wanted top quality parts and engineering. Eurostart definitely goes above and beyond on every aspect for its entire range of model-specific BMW and Mini starters. Let's look at the control unit. Automotive-grade connectors. The mounting hardware is made specific for each and every model of BMW, and that ranges from an X1 all the way to an M5. This hardware ensures that every installer mounts these units in the exact same spot to ensure best operation and eliminate any chance of noises or rattling. The wiring harnesses. The wiring harnesses are manufactured by Eurostart. They're with connectors that are OEM specific to each BMW model with the correct plugs, the correct wiring harness lengths, and even uses the same tape that the factory uses. There's no wires that are cut or spliced into. and the entire installation is completely reversible. It comes with all the warning labels, instructions, diagrams, and the support that each installer needs to ensure the installation is perfect. Get a quality Eurostart remote car starter for your BMW or Mini Cooper and enjoy the comfort all year round. Eurostart remote car starters are sold and installed by approved dealers only. For links and more details, please see our description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the notification icon to get notified when we release new videos. We will be releasing more videos very soon, so don't miss out. And thank you for watching.